Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Georgia for those of you who are new. In this video I am going to show you how to add your website, newly created website, or if you've been on the internet for a while, I'm going to show you how to add your website to the Google Search Console. And the reason you want to do that is because you want to be able to reach a broader audience. You want more people to see your site, and in order for that, Google needs to verify your website as you as the owner and make sure there are no errors in having your website load to the internet. So the first thing you do, you're gonna go into let's go into just Google in general. So open a new tab, and then I'll come back over to that site and type in Google Search Console. And it's also known as Google Webmaster Tools. So either Search Console or Webmaster Tools, those are basically the same thing. So then you will come into your Google Search Console, and it will ask you to sign in using your Gmail password. I've already done that, so I'm just going to come out of this screen, and we are going to come back over to where I've already signed in. And you want to be able to add a new website to the Google Search Console. So what you would do over here to the left, if you don't already have one, when you do come into the console, you would see like a red bar over here on the right side, and it would tell you add your property. So that's the same thing, but since I already have a number of sites on here, it's just telling me to add more to my search console. And the one that we're going to work with today is a video gaming website. So I've already gone and uploaded the site to the internet. I've showed you how it's a ClickBank niche website, and I have detailed videos on YouTube showing you how to upload your site step by step. I will link it for you, and I'll also show you how to go in and optimize your site to make sure that you're getting everything out of that site, including ClickBank digital products, Amazon products, and also adding it to your Google AdSense so that you're also getting AdSense revenue. But I will link those two videos in the cards above, and I will also put the link in the description just in case. Alright, so we're going back to here. The website we're going to deal with is video gaming. And being that I was preparing for this video, I went ahead and I added it. But if you were coming in again for the first time, you would either see the words add property with a red bar right up here to the right underneath the photo, or if you come over here to the drop down and go all the way down to the bottom, we see a plus sign where it says add property, and then you would add the website there. But if you go up a few more sites, you would see where I have already added my site. It's called videogaming.clickbankqueen.com, and right below it, it says not verified. So we are going to verify, add the site and verify it from the search console. And I showed you a different way of how to do it from when you upload to when you upload your website through WordPress using a plugin. So this is a different way. So let's see. If this doesn't work, then we are going to do it together. So alright, so it gives you options of how you could verify your site. The first one being the HTML file, where you would download that file and upload it to your website. But we're not gonna do that because we know that's the hard way. Let's see, what other one can we use? Let's use the Google Analytics and see if it will take us in that way. And let's see, it said you must be using the GTJS tracking code. Your tracking code should be at the head section of the page. Okay, let's see. Let's click on verify and see what it will do for us. Okay, so it says not verified. So I want to come back out and I want to try a different method. Okay, Google Tag Manager. Let's see what this is. Says you must be using a container snippet. You must use the manager permission for tag manager container. I have never seen this before. And then it's giving you a description. Let's back out of this. We are going to do it a different way. All right, I lost my site, so I have to go back down and find it. So click on the drop down. Take me all the way down. It's in alphabetical order. So you go that route. And okay, let's try the HTML. Since it seems to be the most popular, it says I must download that HTML code and upload it to my website. That I'm not going to do. Okay, let's see what other way. Okay, this is what I was looking for. Sorry about that. Let me go back to the overview. So it is the domain name provider. You click on this little box with the arrow pointing diagonally up, and it will open up a new tab. So within that new tab, it tells you, says verification failed. It gives you your website name, and then it's telling you to try and verify with your registrar or provider. That I already know it's not going to happen, but I'm going to show you why. So my registrar and provider is GoDaddy. So I'll go in and I'll find GoDaddy.com, and it's asking me to verify. All of these are other options. So GoDaddy.com, click on verify, and see it says verification failed again. So what I need to do is find a different way of verifying. So again, you click on the drop down for the name, for the provider, for your domain provider, and it gives you a whole bunch of different ways in order to verify your site. So the way that I've been doing it is I've actually tried and used the CNAME record. Click on that, it opens up, and what you would do now, you would take these, the CNAME label and the CNAME destination, and if you watch the other video, you know I'm using that I'm using Cloudflare. So we're gonna go back into Cloudflare. We're gonna go into, I should be at the home page. We are going to go back into our ClipBank Queen website. We're going to go into our DNS, and we are going to add those CNAMEs. See, this is the long way. The other way I showed you with Google Webmaster tools, it's really quick. So the way we're going to do this now, we're going to go in with the CNAMEs, and we're going to have the drop down here. After clicking on DNS, drop down, we have CNAME right here. So the name is, we're going to come back over here to the group. Sorry, we're going to come back over here to the search console. We're going to copy the CNAME label, copy that entire thing, come back over here to Cloudflare, paste that in that, and then come back and grab the other part, destination target, copy that, and come back over here to Cloudflare and paste it right here, and then add record. Okay, now we are going to go back over to the search console. After adding the CNAME record, you would come back over here to the Google Search Console, and then you might want to give it some time, like about 3 to 5 minutes, and click on verify. So let's see. Click on verify. So you would keep trying. As I said, you come over here to your verification methods. Keep trying, because Cloudflare takes a little while to get it up and verified. So you would definitely keep trying, and that is what I did. And it's telling me verification failed, but that is not the case. I already went in and it tells me it's verified. So let's try it this way, and then let me see, verify. Okay, Google is acting up today, because as you could see right here, 2 minutes ago it was verified using Google Analytics. So it's kind of tricky. You have to play around with it. I'm sorry if my method was a little bit all over the place, but I was trying to do it with you at the same time. But like I said, I already uploaded a two-part video detailing how to do this through WordPress, but I was making this video for those of you who don't do WordPress but still want to add your website to the Google console. So just go back and watch the video and pick up on the method that I used. If you need me to make a more detailed video, just comment in the comment section and I'll go over it doing another website, because I know it was a little bit confusing, but hopefully this was able to help you. Okay guys, I do thank you for watching my video, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.